Jet Ski Q&A. Bob says, I have a 2017 SeaDoo Spark. I put the battery in and nothing happens. No start issue. I get a lot of those. I had one just the other day on a Spark. I tested the battery with my solar battery tester. Battery is good. Install it. Connections are clean, tight. Put the key on, hit the start button, nada. So the first thing on any SeaDoo that's, I want to say they probably started this around 2008. They started putting a 30 amp main relay in the fuse block. I don't know what happens to those things, but they just go bad randomly. So I always have like a handful of them on my truck. Bob, check your relay, main 30 amp relay.